धान काट्ने भनेर म हजुरहरूलाई देखाउँछु यो चाहिँ के हो धान है धान हो यो धानमा चाहिँ के भन्छ थाहा छ चामल है अनि हामी त्यो नाम खाने ल आज चाहिँ हामी धान काट्न लागिरहेको छौँ हजुरहरूले हेर्नुहोस् है पहिला यसरी समाउने अनि तल बिस्तारै यसरी काट्ने है हेर्नुहोस् है अनि त्यसपछि फेरि यहाँ तल समायो भने त हात काट्छ यो हँसियाले है यसको नाम चाहिँ करौती पनि भन्छ है ल हेर्नुहोस् है यसरी ठिक्क ठाउँमा समातेर यसरी यसरी ल कसरी काट्छ है ल हजुरहरूले हेर्नुभयो ल अनि यति भएपछि हात भरि भयो अब राख्ने अब यसरी हजुरहरू फेरि काट्नुहुन्छ ल हेर्नुहोस् है यसरी ल यसरी 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 हस्
Little stars of morning stars shining in the field today, playing with the golden grains, learning as they play.
Sickle in hand, smiles on their face, love for the soul, the farmer's grace.
Cutting rice, laughing bright, morning star kids, full of light.
Learning by doing with hearts so free.
That's the Montessori way to be this real cool. Teacher shows with loving care
How the rice must grow.
Children watch and understand the things they need to know. Under the sun, by the mountainside, they learn with joy and country pride. Cutting rice, laughing bright, morning star kids, full of light.
Learning by doing with hearts so free.
That's the Montessori way to be Rusharalpur.
Tiny hands and happy hearts working side by side. Seeds of love and learning start growing deep inside. Nature teaches, feels inspired. Dreams of the future rising higher.
Golden fields and shining smiles, morning star kids walk country miles. Learning from earth with gentle hands, they'll go to brighten all the land. Porutu, Kodiles, Oko, cunning heights, laughing bright, morning star kids, full of light.
Learning by doing with hearts so free.
That's the Montessori way to be
Sickle in
Shri.
hand, smiles on their face, love for the soul, the farmer's grace.
Cutting rice, laughing bright, morning star kids, full of light.
Learning by doing with hearts so free.
That's the Montessori way to be real cool. Teacher shows with loving care
How the rice must grow.
Children watch and understand the things they need to know. Under the sun, by the mountainside, they learn with joy and country pride. Cutting rice, laughing bright, morning star kids, full of life.
Learning by doing with hearts so free.
That's the Montessori way to be